So this is our chapter 3. So today what we will cover, we will cover about menu. Yesterday we have seen, in the last video we have seen how we have covered the audio element in play the welcome. And today we will add some 2 option or 3 option menu. Let's say language selection menu, and it's retries. So let's start. So first we same application we have. We'll go to the element setting, and here if you go down, you need to collect menu. So here there are the menu options. Either you can use form. So in this we will use form also, and two menu option as well. So both things we'll try. Let's try with 2 option menu first. So as soon as you are in welcome, and then you need to route that call as per your language basis. We will update the default language menu. So here it comes, it's a language menu option. So we will rename it as a language menu. Then we'll go to the audio setting. Similarly, because it's a 2 option menu, so settings also be there. First we'll go to the menu, audio, sorry. First we'll go to the audio in the 2 option menu. So here what we will do, we'll put language selection or language selection menu. Language selection menu. We will do it all small letter because it will place in the window, so no matter. Language selection menu dot wave file. Remember to use the default audio path. We'll say press 1 for Hindi and press 2 for, let's say, Tamil. So we have 2 options, 1 and 2. Okay, and we need to add the max tries audio as well. So no match, no input, we can put. So no match audio, it will add like that. Right click again, add audio group, go to the menu option, and no input. So no match and no input also there. What we will do, we will play same audio file, or we will play different audio file. First we will play, you have entered, let's say, what is this, no match. So I'll put nm with a no match, nm dot wave, no match dot wave. Please enter correct value. Okay, and after that, here itself we can add audio item. So after playing this, we can play this message again. So it will not route here, it will play from this portion. So similarly, the same thing we'll put here. Similarly, we'll go to the no input. So I'll say ni dot wave, no input dot wave. Please enter menu. Please enter menu. Okay. No input, and then similarly right click, add audio item, and it will be added. Same thing will copy again, language selection menu, copy, paste, same thing, copy, paste here. So our menu item is already done. So now we'll go to the setting, understand what is this. So here we have max in count is 3. So 3 times we can enter no match, 3 tries, and 3 tries for no input. So we can combine it also. I'll explain that later. First one, we don't have voice, so we can because DTM gateway selection we have done the DTMF only, so voice is not there, so no need to put voice. Okay, no need to put voice. So we are good with the DDMF, but we can put in case if you put voice also, you can put it here. And voice is not required, it is not mandatory, but option is required. So option is 1, so that it will act as an 1 and 2. DDMF 2, then voice also I am putting 2. It is not required, but I'm putting, and then 2. Okay, so our settings is also ready. If you see here, if you see option 1 and option 2. So now what we wanted to do is we will add one audio item. Okay, and option 1 we will route to this, and we will play as you have selected Hindi. Language Hindi. Dot wave. You have selected option 1. Option 1. You have selected option 1. Save. And after that, I will disconnect the call. Similarly, I can copy paste this and rename to Tamil language. I'll rename this to, and this name is useful when you debug the call in the activity log or the debug log, because this element name comes in the activity log. That's why renaming is very, very important, so that it will be easier to to uh, to check in the logs also. So language Tamil selected, language Tamil. So, and then here also I will disconnect this call. Okay. You can see uh, still my retries, my retries are there. So what we wanted to do with the retries, so I will go this retries. Uh, it is a max retries, so automatically it will play 3 times. And I wanted to play technical error, and then or max tries. Thank you kind of audio file. So I'll say max tries audio. Now I'll go to audio settings. Similarly, here I'll say max tries, max tries dot wave. Thank you for calling. You have exceeded the maximum attempts. So for both, you can play either of one. So, but I'm doing for both. So you can play different audio file for max no match and max no input. It is up to you. Here I'm playing similar audio file for both, and then after that I'm disconnecting the call again. So this we will check. So if you see now, my if you see this, here we can click and okay, make like that. So here the error is gone. Now what we will do, we will validate the project. Validate the project. So if you see validation, no errors here. Let's try this, and then we'll see what is coming. After trying this, we will come back to the combined tries. Here you can see my max tries and max no match going to the, I can pass it to 2 different audio file, and it will go out from the loop after 3 attempts, 6 attempts actually it is. 3 attempt this, 3 attempt this, then only it will go out. What I will do now, next after this testing, I will combine this as well. Okay, let's try this first. Debug SN Call Studio project. We need to check the connect. It should appear. If it is not appearing, then restart your Call Studio. It will take little time. and then we'll see. Now it is loading. These errors are not, I'm not familiar much, but yeah, whenever the Tomcat error comes, it will, the one warning pop-up will appear. That means it is malfunctioning. So I just take restart. I never debug this feature why it is coming. Whenever I take restart of Call Studio, it is resolved. So here you can say there is internal error. So what we will do, we will stop this, and we will restart our Call Studio. We will go back to the builder perspective. Let me try one more time. Let me just try one more time. This is still running actually. Okay, I have not stopped. It stopped. Okay, it is still running. Let's see. This is still running. Stopping it. Stopping also illegal argument. Execute debug command. Stopping also not work now. Okay, let's close this. I'm restarting again. Color Studio sometimes gives such errors. So I never bothered and shared with the Cisco tag, but it happens. It's a product label issue. But whenever we restart and it will start working. So it happens in College Studio only. So if you deploy this application to server, it will not happen. Maybe the debugger on this College Studio debugger have some issue. Let us debug again. We'll go back to builder mode, right click. Let's try this again. One more time. The connect, yeah, now it is coming. Connect, I will connect it. So it will say, welcome to the first IVR application. It will say that, and then it will ask, wait for my DTMF. We'll check that. Now it is connecting. Now it is coming. Welcome to the Cisco IVR first, and then press 1 for Hindi, press 2 Tamil. I'll press 5. So if I press 5, enter, then it says again, press 1 for Hindi, press 2. Please enter the correct value. I'll say 8 again, then enter. Since please enter the correct value. Now that time I'll not put value, I just enter, because if you see again it is say no input, please enter any value. Again I'll do, please enter any value. Now again if I do enter, so it is 3 times, and thank you for calling, and disconnected. Now to run it again, to test again, this is the incomplete flow, error flow we have done. Now we will do one a good option. So let's say 2. I'll enter 2, and then after that you can say you have selected option 2 and disconnected. So that's how it is working, and after that we can clear it. We can stop debugging. We can terminate this program, and then we can go back to our builder perspective. Okay, now it is, you see, so I have done almost 5 tries, and after 6th tries it went there. Okay, I wanted to combine this, that also I can do. How I can achieve it? I will make this max tries one only. After one try it will go there. So if I do one tries, it will just go there. Okay, but how can I achieve? max tries threes. I want combined tries three only. So what I will do for that, I will add one decision element and one action element. So I will add one decision element and I will add one mathematics form. Any there is a number of action element are there, so I'll use counter. So counter is also action element and one decision element I have used. Let's do it. How we can achieve? I'll show. So what I will do, I will send that to counter both tries. I'll send it to counter both. I will start the counter. There is already some variables are there. Initial is 0 and it will increase by one. And then in this, I'll rename this like language menu, language menu counter. And here is the decision. So I'll say lang menu price decision like that you can make. So lang menu counter also you can make it will become little small. Useless one. Okay. Lang menu counter and so it will go here language. In this, what I will do, I will edit the decision editor. Here you need to be very focused. If you click anywhere, this will not come. But if you click here, then the data will come. That is very important. To modify this, you need to click on the expression. What we are comparing the element data. Which element data we are comparing? The lang menu counter. What is the value? Count. It is automatically two values will be there. Only one value is there. So count. Which we are comparing, or it should be less than 3 or less than equals to 3. So I will put like equals to 3 attempt. Less than equals to string 3. Then what I need to do, if it is less than equals to 3, it should retries. Or if it is not, then go to max tries. As soon as I done that, it will create two exit state. One is called try. I'll send try here, and one is called max tries. Max tries I'll send here. So now it is gone. Now what I will do, I'll validate. Let's see any errors. No errors. If you see, here is only one try, but here we have done 3. So this we need to focus on. Let's say debug project. Connect will come. And here you will see to connect appears. So here you will see the path flow also. So once it is connected, it will say, okay. So now what I'm attempting 5. I'm attempting 5. Look at this. So it is playing. Okay. Why it is placed 2 times? I'll explain also. So if you see carefully here, I have done M5. It is no match. After the no match, it went to the enter your correct value, which is my no match audio file. Okay. Inside that no match audio file, I have paste this, so I can remove that also to avoid playing 2 times. So this flow is playing 2 times because in my no match audio section also I have put the audio file. Now the no match audio section second audio is not required. Okay. So let me tell you what I am saying. So now I am here. So inside this, when I'm using this kind of max tries method, these audio files are not required. This one, because my attempt will go to the menu again and it will play this audio file again. Let me go to the debug mode again. So I'm here. Look at this. Again it is saying press something. So this time I am pressing no, I'm not pressing anything, just enter blank value. Again it says, okay, previously it was 5 attempts we have done. Now I'm making one more attempt, which is again invalid. Look at this. Now my condition was equals to 3, less than equals to 3. The 3 attempt I have already done. So this time, if I'm attempt, it should go to the disconnects. Now look at this. Now it is went to the thank you, because it plays this because the audio file is there already. We need to remove that. You can do this exercise and you will find out what is the difference when I put in the no match audio, same audio whatever available in the main menu. If I don't put that audio file, the differences you need to find out. Just practice this and you will get it. Then you can see the disconnect. So my after 3 attempt, my call went to the max tries audio file. This is the point I was telling you. Previously I have made 5 attempts, so 3 was there. Now in the audio file, in the audio, or you can say the main menu settings, I have made it 1 only. The 1 went to here. It will check your counter, it will increase your counter, then this decision making this, you can reduce it to the value 2 as well. So it will give you 2 attempts, maximum 2 attempts, and third attempt goes there. So that's how you can use decision element, action counter element, and language menu. Next video we'll understand how the form is required, because form is little dynamic. And here we are using the static menu, so we can use 2 option, 3 option, 5 option menu, 3 option, 4 option, 5 option menu, up to 10 option menus, because in the mobile we have 10 values, because it will take, as soon as you press, it will take that. So in form we can have in the one form will give you all these yes or no, 10 option, 2 options. So form is little good uh, to use. But if you have some static menus, the Cisco element, these elements are also very useful. Thank you for watching. Please like and share with your friends who want to learn IVR application Call Studio, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.